Hey everybody, it's Cheryl here. So in today's video, I decided to make a video about my hair care routine. I thought this was a really great video to do because all my life I always got asked about my hair, like how I got it. So I have it so shiny, so soft, and healthy. So I thought I would just give you guys some tips to maybe have healthier hair. I have to mention a disclaimer just because there's so many different factors with hair, like what hair type you have, your environment around you, even your diet, your lifestyle, and you know, there's just so many factors that come into play, and maybe my tips won't give you these exact results. These are just some things that work for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I post every week. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start with my background of my hair. This is all virgin hair. The last time I dyed it was maybe 2 to 3 years ago, and that was when my hair was really long and I had like an ombre kind of indigo blue. And I will say that bleaching your hair really fucking damages the fuck out of your hair. It made my hair really stretchy whenever it was wet, and it was really hard to comb out. Once school started, which was like senior year, or junior year, I cut all my hair off. This is all virgin hair. I don't dye it. This is my natural hair color. In the summer, my hair like turns lighter brown, and I get kind of like these highlights. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. I've been thinking about dyeing it, but I really like the color that I have right now. And my haircut, it's kind of long in the front and shorter in the back. I think it really suits me. I've never tried this haircut before. I really like how the long pieces kind of make it look sleek, clean cut, but also there's like some uneven pieces which I think looks really good too. It doesn't look too choppy, which I really love. For shampoo and conditioner, I honestly don't do anything special really. For shampoo, I am using like the Suv Argan Oil one, which is really inexpensive, or I use a Heads and Shoulders, whichever is in my shower. But I feel like this conditioner has really made a difference with my hair, and it is the Tresemme Flawless Curls. It's for curly and wavy hair, and I know it is catered to curly hair, but I feel like, you know, whatever works for you, you should just do you. It makes my hair really sleek and really soft and shiny and less flyaways, because I do have a lot of baby hairs since it has silicone in it, which kind of coats the hair and makes it so shiny. That really makes a difference between like super cheap shampoos and conditioners. Those are fine. It makes my hair kind of frizzy, or like it doesn't have a shine to it, and it kind of like my hair kind of gets like staticky more. But this one really works well with my hair, so I really recommend it, and it's really expensive. I mean, inexpensive. Another good tip for people that have really damaged hair is using organic, unrefined, extra virgin coconut oil. And I say unrefined because when it's refined, the amount of heat that's put into it, it kills all of the vitamins and nutrients in there, so there isn't that many vitamins that would be put into your hair. I'm really bad at explaining things, but unrefined is really good because it still has all the nutrients in here. I honestly use coconut oil for everything, and the major difference between unrefined and refined is that unrefined really smells like coconut flakes, and it just smells like cookies, and refined just smells like nothing. It's a good way to tell the difference. Ouch. And then for the coconut oil, I would just like scoop it and then kind of massage it through my scalp and my hair. I haven't done it ever since I got short hair because I don't really need it. And that really helps with preventing more damage to your hair. And you should shampoo twice once it's in your hair. You can leave it for like an hour or overnight. This is another hair mask that I recommend. It's called the Macadamia Deep Repair Mask by Macadamia Oil. And I remember this product being so popular like back in 2012, where every like beauty guru had this. And it smells really good. For this, sometimes I just substitute my conditioner for this, and I would let it just sit in my hair for like a couple minutes while I shave and do all that stuff. Or you can leave it in your hair for like an hour and wash it out, but this really makes your hair super soft after you've done heat to your hair. And it's good for like weekly maintenance. I really recommend it. I think it's around like $25–30, but it's really worth it. Plus they have smaller sizes too. Another thing I recommend is obviously drinking water. Drinking water is so important. Or just being hydrated is important in general, but I feel like whenever you're more hydrated, it shows outwards, like with the skin and the hair, it just gives more life. I really recommend drinking at least half your weight in ounces. So I'm about 95 pounds, so the minimum amount of water I should drink is about 45 ounces, but I try to drink like 60 ounces just because I get really thirsty and I work out, so I need more water in my system. Really recommend water. And sorry guys if the lighting's being inconsistent because I'm using natural light today. I decided to just try it out and see how it affects my videos and the quality. So next is the type of brush I use, and I think this is really important as well because there's just some brushes that give so much damage to your hair because it just snags at all your tangles. You should always start at the ends of your hair and then work up like this. My hair isn't tangly ever. That's like the best thing about short hair is like I wake up and I don't even need to brush my hair sometimes. And this is a wet brush. I don't know what it is about this because the bristles are really flimsy, but it makes brushing hair a lot more enjoyable because I remember I had long hair and it would hurt so bad whenever I had to brush it after I showered. I also recommend a natural bristle brush because what it does, it distributes your hair oils from the roots to the ends, which gives more shine, and it actually provides circulation to your scalp to promote hair growth. I really love this brush because it makes my hair really soft and shiny. Let me just show you. I know there's brushes like the wet brush and it has boar bristles like built into it, but I just have this. It's from Conair, and yeah, sorry, it has a lot of hairs on there. What I like to do is I just take like from the roots to the tips and I go like this, and your hair will get kind of staticky. It kind of depends, but it'll always go away. And you can always like turn your head forward, but I don't even know if it look good right now. Just go like that. It's always good to do this at night or like in the morning before you go to work or anything. Start the day, and always start from the roots to the tips so you can distribute all the hair oils. So if you like to wash your hair every other day, it won't make your hair so greasy too fast because all the oils are distributed evenly. I don't know if you see that. Lighting's not that great. So I hope you guys liked watching this video. I hope I kind of helped you guys with some tips on how to have healthier hair. Also, I do not use any heat products or any products in my hair, so this is just shampoo and conditioner with the bristle brush and the wet brush. This is just my hair. Naturally, it's just straight and with no waves. Yeah, it's just naturally like this. I hope I helped you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want more. I always post videos every week. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is @Cheryl_Christine. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.